We'll guide you through how to buy or order from Amazon. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Amazon is a great online marketplace, and you can go and get things delivered straight to your house. So we're going to guide you through how you can buy and order. To get started, you can go and get the Amazon app. You can go and head to the Amazon site, but we are mainly focusing on the app in this guide. You can go and get the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. So download it and open it up. Come to the bottom and go and press the user icon. To go and use Amazon, you will need to go and have an account. So if you already have one, you can press sign in, otherwise create one. I've got one, so I'm going to go and press sign in here. After you signed in or gone and created your account, you can then press the home button in the bottom left, and here we are. So in the top left, you can go and enter in your postcode. Then what you can do is you can go and start searching Amazon for what you want. So maybe you want some batteries, maybe you want something else. Let's go and say I wanted a computer mouse. I could go and type in mouse, wireless, and you can go and find what you want. So let's go and say I wanted to go and get this one here. We can go and read about it. So what we can then do is go and press add to basket. And I could start adding more things. Maybe I want to go and get a keyboard as well. I could type in keyboard wireless and scroll down, and let's go and say I wanted to go and get this one here. I could then go and press add to basket. After you've added what you want to the basket, you can go down and click on the basket, and you can then go and review what you've got. So I've got the mouse and keyboard. Then what you can do is you can go and press proceed to checkout when you're ready. This will go and load. So at the top, you can go and check the cost. Then you can come down and choose your payment method. So at the moment, I've got mine set to Barclays Bank, but I could press change payment method and go and choose a different one. That's fine with me, but you can go and press add new in the top right if you want. You can add a credit or debit card or pay by your bank and press continue. Then you can come down here and check the address. If it's wrong, press change delivery address, and you can go and add a new one or edit the existing one. Make sure the right one has been selected, which it has. You can then scroll down and you can go and choose the different delivery options. So you can go and choose whether you want it to be free tomorrow or tomorrow again, but in that time slot. So it does vary depending upon the cost, and you can go and get something called Amazon Prime, which is in free next to delivery, but that is a paid subscription. Sometimes you can get a free trial though. So you can go and choose what delivery option you want. And you can then scroll down. When you're then ready, you go down and press buy now, and the order will be placed and your payment method will go and be used. If it's a bank, you may need to go and do some different things, but that will vary depending upon if you use bank or card, and the order will be placed. Then you can go and check your orders by coming to the bottom and pressing the user icon, and then you can go and press orders and go and see them there.